The Material World 25. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over the material world, and the amount of effort most people dedicate to it, compared to the effort dedicated to one's religion. If one observes the material world, such as the movie industry, they will find that the people involved dedicate a large amount of effort in order to achieve success. For example, not only do people spend countless hours and millions of pounds making a film, but after its completion they dedicate more effort and money publicizing it. Celebrities travel around the world for the sake of a meeting or interview, which lasts less than an hour, just to promote their work. Unfortunately, it is quite obvious that most Muslims do not even dedicate a fraction of this effort in their religious affairs, such as strengthening their own faith or spreading the word of Islam. Social media is full of worldly things, which people have dedicated much time and money to, which is obvious to anyone who observes it. Whereas, the money and effort dedicated to Islamic education on social media is only a fraction of this. Islam does not teach Muslims to completely abandon the world, as it is required in order to gather one's lawful provision. But if a Muslim honestly assesses their own life and daily activities, it will be obvious to them that the majority of their effort, wealth, and time is dedicated to the material world. It is very rare to observe someone who dedicates the majority of their time to Islam and preparing for the hereafter. If people can dedicate so much effort and money on worldly things, such as making movies, even though these are temporal things, Muslims should work even harder for the eternal hereafter. These worldly people dedicate much effort to their worldly projects and therefore obtain success. If Muslims desire real success in this world and in the next, they too must dedicate time and energy in preparing for the hereafter. It is simply foolish to believe that a Muslim can obtain the blessings of this world and the next by either exerting minimal effort or no effort at all in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience. If worldly success cannot be achieved without effort, how can a Muslim believe they will obtain religious success without effort? Chapter 87 Al-Ala, verses 16 to 17.
But you prefer the worldly life, while the hereafter is better and more enduring.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts, and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.